Welcome back. Here we go again. Part 2 of draining a filter of a washing machine. This is an electric washing machine. You see on here. This is an electric model, and I have an issue with water draining. Apparently, there's been an error E21 on the machine. So now I'm going to attempt. I'm attempting to drain out I've drained out the water. I'm attempting to clear out the filter, and hopefully we will have the machine working back again, all okay. So the water's been all drained. As you see, when I turn this filter knob, no more water is coming out. So I know all the water's come out. Now I have to get this nozzle out of its place. I have to pull it out, which is a bit of a job. I have to keep turning it anti-clockwise. Be careful not to break parts. Just be careful whenever you're doing these jobs. Try to be. And I might have to pull this out, fiddle it side to side and pull it out until I get that that nozzle out, this knob. And once it's out, then I can start cleaning it, whatever is inside. I'm suspecting some maybe clothing. This clothing looks like it's dirty, not dirty, broken bits of clothing. So I think that's what's gone inside the filter. We'll find out. So as you can see, I'm pulling it out, and it's coming out, and it's come out, and with a bit of a wedge it should come out now fairly easily. Just pull it out. Okay, and then let's see what's inside. Let me finish this. Right. Just carefully wedge it out, carefully. You don't want to rush it or break anything. Okay, so hopefully in part 3 we'll be able to show you what's inside the filter and begin to clean it. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.